Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of creativity with the We Are Memory Keeper's Cinch Book Binding Machine 2, a fantastic tool in pink and white that makes crafting professional quality books, notebooks, and calendars a breeze. This machine is designed with user-friendliness in mind, featuring an easy-to-use slide ruler and customizable hole punch knobs that allow you to punch perfect square holes without the hassle of measuring. With a versatile 2-to-1 hole pitch, you can bind any size project, from scrapbooks and minibooks to school projects and journals, using either wire or spiral coils. Engineered for precision and efficiency, this tool is perfect for home, office, businesses, and schools, ensuring your creations have a professional finish every time. Pair it with other We Are Memory Keepers products to expand your creative possibilities and start making memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, the intuitive features and clear instructions make it easy for anyone to create perfectly bound books or documents. So, get ready to unleash your creativity and transform your ideas into beautifully bound masterpieces with the Cinch Book Binding Machine. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.